Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread Jamaican style. First, ensure your bananas are very ripe, showing plenty of brown spots for maximum sweetness. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly grease a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. This preparation ensures your bread bakes evenly and releases easily. Having all your ingredients measured and ready before you start mixing will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, mash your very ripe bananas until mostly smooth. In another bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Then, beat in the 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the dry ingredients: 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. This ensures even distribution before adding them to the wet mixture. It's time to bring it all together. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to a tough loaf. Pour the batter into your prepared loaf pan and smooth the top. Bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow it to cool in the pan for 10 minutes before moving it to a wire rack to cool completely. To truly capture that authentic Jamaican flavor, consider adding half a teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg and 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon to your dry ingredients. For an extra layer of texture, you might also stir in 1/4 of a cup of chopped walnuts or pecans. This simple addition elevates the taste and experience. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals. Serve your delicious banana bread warm and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.